All right, attention all automotive YouTubers. Now, my name's Mark Arnold. This is the Iron Empire. For those who don't know me, I've been running a automotive YouTube channel for about 5 years now. I just wanted to have a quick rant here. It's going to be relevant to all of you guys. It's actually going to be relevant to pretty much all YouTube channels, but coming from the automotive avenue, being a DIYer, having a crack, just getting here, getting dirty, out in the shed, like we all like to do. Every now and again, you get a little reminder of how shit people are. Now, this is going to be a bit of a rant. I'm going to keep it short, sharp, shiny. For all of you who are doing the same as me, we're just having a crack. People in the comments that have a crack at you for not doing shit right. Now, you have to have a bit of a thick skin when you're putting yourself out there like we do. And we always get a lot of support from the people that follow us along, and I always appreciate that. But every now and again, you just need a bit of a reminder, and I'm here to give you all a reminder that these people are just shit. All right. So unless you are running a tutorial channel, a how-to channel, or you're a professional in a certain specific area, you may open yourself up to a bit of criticism. And although I don't necessarily agree with it, I can see how that may happen a bit more often. But when you're just having a crack, you're not showing people how to do it. You're just showing people how you've done it, right? So when someone jumps in the comments and just roasts you over what you've done, it is so disheartening sometimes. And it's like, I'm not asking for your opinion, mate. If you don't like what I'm doing, just click to the next video. This is literally free. We are uploading free content. You either enjoy it, have a bit of a watch, get a bit of either a little bit of info that you take it or leave it, a little bit of entertainment, a little bit of enthusiasm to get out there and have a crack in your own shed. All that shit is what we're here for. If you're going to be one of those dudes in the comments writing that you've done it wrong, I don't know, man. There's criticism, and then there's just being a fuckwit. And a lot of people, I should say, some people give you constructive criticism, but some just roast you. And I'm sort of just giving you a bit of support that just fuck those guys, man. It is so disheartening sometimes, and just wanted to spread the good word and just say, keep trucking, man. Just keep wrenching, get out there and do what you do. And, yeah, forget it. And if you're one of those guys that do get on there and comment and just smash people for what they're doing, you're not going to listen to me anyway, but just know that most people don't agree with you and that you're a dick. You're a bit of a dick, and you're probably a dick in real life. So probably think about that next time you have any sort of communication with anyone just on a daily basis, that you're probably a bit of a dick, right? So anyway, keep getting into it, guys. I'm meant to be working on this Bronco today, and the video's meant to be out tomorrow morning. That may not happen now because I'm doing random videos now. But anyway, for those who want to jump on, follow the channel, follow the journey. Yeah, subscribe. We'll shove a video out tomorrow morning. I do a lot of auto stuff. I do a lot of auto stuff on classic, muscle, Aussie, American, but it doesn't matter what you're into. Just get out there and have a crack, unless you're into gay cars. So. I'm only kidding, guys. Let's go kill it and keep on wrenching. Cheers, guys.